Hey everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2020 Ford F-250 XLT. With just over 79,000 miles, this heavy-duty crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 7.3-liter V8 gas engine. It is four-wheel drive. It also has a Clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. In the front, you will find this F-250 well equipped with high-intensity headlights with LED fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front recovery hooks. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have an 18-inch chrome-clad steel wheel wrapped up in a like-new tire. And we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll find this F-250 well equipped with clearance lights up top and turn signal indicators integrated into your tow mirrors and fixed running boards. And on the reverse side of your tow mirror, you will notice this F-250 is equipped with a blind spot monitor with an indicator integrated right into your glass. Looking inside, you'll be met with a two-tone gray and black theme with a touch of chrome and brushed aluminum. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this F-250. Of course, once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by the super durable cloth seats. You will have power adjustments on the driver's side, but you will have manual adjustments on the passenger side. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection. Here you can see all the tires are 9/32 all the way around, and your brake pads are brand new. Along with everything else, it is green, ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do this so you don't have to put money into the wearables shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the back here, as you can see, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they're going to enjoy nice features like a flow-through center console, 12-volt output. Looks like we have a 110 with USB charging as well, all-weather floor mats, and it looks like you have storage on both the passenger and driver side. Making our way around to the 6.5-foot bed, you will notice this vehicle is equipped with a powered rear sliding glass, Spray-In Bedliner, and LED cargo lighting. And you also have your high-definition rear camera with your rear proximity sensors and all of your towing equipment, including your Hitch Receiver and 4- and 7-pin wiring. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as powered door locks, windows, and mirror adjustments. And along with those tow mirrors, you will have power folding and power telescoping as well. You also have some additional lighting options for those. And to the left of the steering wheel as well, you have a general lamp selector, brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster, options for your fog lights, and a cargo lamp as well. And down below, you will have power adjustable foot pedals. Upon startup, you can see just over 79,000 miles on this F-250. And as far as steering wheel-mounted controls are concerned, to the left you'll have a selector for your center screen, some cruise control options, and to the right you'll have some media options such as volume, and then of course you can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And that brings us to our center display and infotainment system. As you can see, this Ford is equipped with onboard navigation, and up top you'll have options for your traction control off, 4 ways, downhill descent, lane departure, and you also have some options for your camera views as well. Speaking of camera, let's check out our high-definition rear camera. As you can see, you do have those rear proximity sensors and your towing and guidance lines as well. And as far as audio is concerned, you'll have your standard FM, AM, XM radio, and Bluetooth connectivity. Down below, you have some more simple radio controls, followed up with your dual automatic climate control here. And you will have heated front seats as well. Down below, you have some nice storage options and USB charging. To the left, you will find your 4-wheel drive selector and your integrated trailer brake control. And finally here, you will see that you do have a 12-volt and a 110 as well. Bringing our attention up top, you'll have your bright LED map lights. And you also have 6 open auxiliaries here with your controls for your powered rear sliding glass. And under the hood, you will find your 7.3-liter V8 engine. As you can see, very clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this vehicle has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this F-250. Keeping in mind, it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here, you will see you do have some stone chips here on the front of the hood. Otherwise, very clean up front. Chrome trim seems to be in good shape, no chipping or peeling. And your headlights are nice and clear, guys. No cracking, no hazing, no fading. Tow hooks, that chrome coating around there, we're going to have some wear on that. So let's take a look at your bottom bumper fascia here. Looks like you will have some scuffs on that bottom bumper as well. Otherwise, pretty good shape up here. Taking a look at your wheel and tire setup, you are going to have some wearing here on the chrome around the wheels here. As you can see, that coating is coming off a little bit, so not perfect on the wheels. Keep in mind, guys, these are priced accordingly and aggressively, but we like to show you up front, and we like to be very transparent. Mirror cap here in good shape. Chrome trim here, no peeling. I see a small blemish there, so look out for that. But your casing around your turn signal indicator is in good shape as well. Small scuffs here on the chrome door handle, and behind your passenger door handle seems to be in good shape. Let's take a look at the interior, guys. We are at the passenger side door card. I see some scuffs right underneath your armrest. And you're gonna have some small imperfections here on your glove box as well. And you are gonna have, throughout these premium cloth seats, you are gonna have some discoloration. Small blemish there in the middle, and some scuffs around the center pieces here. Let's continue on. I did notice behind this seat, you are gonna have some discoloration and staining here, as you can see. Seems like our reconditioning team could not get that out. Some small blemishes back here, as you can see. So not perfect on the upholstery. This would be a great option for a work truck. For your camper, small boat, or big boat, F-250, right? You will have some scarring here on top of the tailgate on the trim piece. Top of the bed rails are in pretty good shape. Looking at your tailgate latch here, you have some imperfections on the chrome trim. Badging looks good, guys. You're gonna have some scarring here on the trim piece on top of the rear bumper, as you can see. And you'll have some pretty serious scarring above your rear camera here, so we just wanna let you know that that is on this F-250. Coming around to the driver's side here, wheel is in similar shape. No curb rash on the wheels, but you are going to see some deterioration of some of that coating. Chrome door handle here is in good shape. No dents or dings to the vehicle body. We like to take care of that before these vehicles are listed. Your chrome running boards are in good shape. They are not new, however, it doesn't affect the functionality of them. And then ending up at your driver door mirror cap, really nice, no fading, no discoloration. So while you do have some minor imperfections, pretty clean truck overall with a year of mileage. Just to recap, we took a look at a 2020 F-250, just over 79,000 miles, local trade-in here at All Things Automotive. So get a hold of us here. You can reach us at 717-485-4224, hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can go to allthingsautomotive.com, where you can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy, and it only takes 10 minutes of your time. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, Connellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day. Please like and subscribe.